Happy holiday, everybody! Nasa tabing dagat na naman kami. Ang dami ng tao. You good, Sherman? Very good. Look, ang dami ng tao. So many people.
That looks pretty rough there.
Yeah, just this is really that's okay, right?
Yeah.
We are still in the Nelson Bay. Still in the Nelson Bay. At kami ay, ang sarap, relaxing, nagre-relax na lang. Nagre-relax kami dito. I'm going there later on, Han.
Where?
At the rock there. Yeah, okay.
You won't get swept out.
Nah.
By the tidal wave that's coming. By the tsunami. You'll be right.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be worried.
No. And then the other, I think it's better there, and then I can just look at all the suns.
You know what we ought to do? Have a rope that goes around here, around the esky.
Yeah.
Have a rope or a rubber band.
Yeah, it's alright for now.
For now, yeah.
It's alright for now. Dami nang lalaro dito. Ay, it's a bird there, honey. The seagull. Your seagull one. It's your friend, Han, the seagull.
Yeah, I'm just trying to
The seagull, hello. Seagull.